I set up something what I call the spiderweb effect. So I build an entire spider web around my PDF in order to drive traffic and generate sales nonstop. I never imagined making over $1 million selling simple PDFs. What you're looking at right here is some payouts that I received by selling these PDFs. Anywhere from $5,000 all the way to $50,000. As you can see, what I've done is I just put in a range from $5,000 to $60,000 as far as payouts. And what I can do is I can do a simple refresh on my Stripe account. So I'll go ahead and refresh the screen so you'll see that this is 100% real. Anybody that doesn't refresh the screen is most likely not being honest with you. So I refresh, and as you can see, the amounts are still here. And if I go over here to transactions, you will be able to see that there's 10,000 plus exceeded transactions right here. And if we scroll down, you will be able to see all of the simple PDFs that I sell. Now, I've been selling PDFs for many years. It wasn't always this way though, because at first I was struggling to sell PDFs. But because I was able to go through the struggles and make it through the struggles, I know exactly how to lead you and help you get these kind of results as well. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you step by step on how you can copy my success and do exactly what I do when it comes to selling PDFs, so you too can get massive results and wake up to nonstop sales notifications all day, every day, even while you sleep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get right into it. I don't want to waste any time because I want you to start seeing sales as soon as this week. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to find a PDF that solves problems. And these are problems that will really help people overcome a situation that they may be in or something that they are dealing with. If it's not solving a problem, these are not the PDFs that's going to make you money. You can easily make $100 a month selling a social media PDF, but what if you can make $100,000 a month helping somebody overcome an insecurity? These are the PDFs right here that make the most money. So I'm going to show you an example of one of the PDFs that I am referring to that are designed to make way more money than the average PDF. For example, this is a PDF right here that solves a problem. It hits deep and cuts deep on a pain point of men who are, let's say, 5'8", thinking that they have to be tall in order to attract women. This PDF right here is called the 5'8" effect. How shorter men are outpacing taller competitors and attracting high quality women by mastering the 7 traits that actually drive attention, regardless of height. And if we scroll down here, you will be able to see the value in this PDF right here. The height myth exposed, the 7 attraction traits, presence and physical dominance, voice, frame, and communication mastery, status signaling that works, the mindset overhaul, the 30-day presence protocol, the high-value conversation checklist, the self-assessment worksheet, the elite 1% reference table, closing your new identity. And if we scroll down, you can see more on why this PDF is touching on a pain point of shorter men. Only 13% of women say height is a deal breaker in a long-term partner selection. 3 times more women rate confidence as their #1 attraction trigger over physical height. 79% of women partner with men under 5'9" report high relationship satisfaction. So once you have your PDF, the very next thing that you want is a very persuasive sales page. Again, check out PDF Vault because it comes with a sales page. And if you have a sales page, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and get into driving traffic. Now, without driving traffic, you really can't do much and make much money at all because traffic is the lifeblood of every business. So you have your PDF that solves a problem and you have your matching sales page. The very next thing you want to do is you want to set up some paid ads. Instagram and Facebook ads is what I've personally seen when it comes to the paid side of things that drive the most sales. Whenever you interrupt somebody's pattern with something they are insecure about in their feed, I'll tell you this right now, 9 out of 10 people are going to stop. That doesn't mean 9 out of 10 people are going to buy, but 9 out of 10 people are going to stop dead in their tracks because they know it hits them hard. So setting up paid ads for your PDF is the very first thing you want to do because you just have to look at it like this. Let's say if you run a campaign and you're spending $10 a day on promos and you have a PDF that makes you $27 per sale. Well, even one sale a day is more than doubling your money. What if you're somebody that get 10 sales a day and you're spending, let's say, $20 a day in ads? So you're spending about $600 a month and you're making $270 a day if you're selling a $27 PDF. So you can see here how this works out and how powerful this can be. So setting up paid ads is the very first thing you want to do. Now, what I personally do is I set up something what I call the spiderweb effect. So I build an entire spider web around my PDF in order to drive traffic and generate sales nonstop. So if I have my paid ads right here, the next thing I want to do is I want to go to organic route and I want to build an Instagram theme page or quote page around my PDF. So let's say I have a PDF that is talking about men's confidence and how to level up as a man and how to have more confidence as a shorter man. Let's say if I have an Instagram account dedicated to that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use CapCut in order to start generating Reels, Instagram Reels, and these are just templates. So what I'll do is I'll use CapCut to just go ahead and generate some Reels by using a background. CapCut got just a bunch of different templates, and I'll just write simple text on the background of that video template, and I'll go ahead and make that unique, add music to it, and go to like ChatGPT to get some captions and do this every single day. What I like to do is I like to post 3 times a day, so therefore I would do like 2 Instagram Reels a day using CapCut templates or even Canva templates. And I would use 1 text-based post, and you can do that on Canva as well by simply going to ChatGPT and uploading your product and say, I need 30 different quotes that will really touch really hard or really cut deep on this topic right here that will target insecurities and attract my target audience. And ChatGPT is going to give you 30 different text-based posts that you can go ahead over to Canva and you can go ahead and get a whole look and feel going on Instagram. And the more you post, of course, the more you grow organically. So if I have my paid ads up and running, and I also have my CapCut and my Canva and my ChatGPT generating organic traffic, the next thing I want to do is I want to head over to Pinterest and start doing the same thing on Pinterest by generating consistent pins. So if you are doing all 3 of these things, you only got one other thing to do, and that's to head over to Google and just target keywords, and these are Google search-based campaigns. So let's say if there's 10,000 men a month, which I'm sure there's probably 1 million plus men a month typing in how to attract women as a shorter man or how to attract pretty women as a short man. I'm sure there's millions of men searching for these keywords. So what if you are showing up in Google, #1 on Google, and your PDF is showing up, and these men are clicking on your PDF and making purchases and buying all day, every day? This is how it works right here with my spiderweb effect. If I have my paid ads in place and I got my organic Instagram theme page growing and I got Pinterest pins and I also got Google search campaigns, the only thing I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to be a manager of all of these things. I'm no longer working to try to make money. I already have a problem to solve, and there's already millions of potential customers that will purchase my product. And this is what you can do for any single topic or PDF. I've personally sold PDFs about things I know nothing, absolutely nothing about, but my PDF is the expert, not me. So it can be a PDF. I'm a man. There's many PDFs I've sold to women, and I'm not a woman. Think about it. So therefore, you don't have to be an expert in that topic as long as your PDF does all the problem solving for you. Your PDF itself is the expert, not you. You're just the salesperson for that PDF. So as long as you are driving traffic, I'll tell you this. This right here is the way that can get you to $10,000 a month, $20,000, $30,000 and beyond if you are somebody that's even making $5 a month right now. Because once you build the spiderweb effect around a particular PDF, there's no limit to the amount of money that you can make, because this is how the top people in the game, even people that make way more money than me, this is how they do it. They choose a problem-solving PDF, if they are selling PDFs that is. But most people that are selling PDFs know that this is the real way to make money online, just simple PDFs that solve problems. But they choose a problem-solving PDF and they start building around that. So once you have all kind of traffic built around your PDF, you have a traffic engine and you have an income engine, and you don't have to no longer be looking around how to make money online because you are absolutely dominating a niche. Now, what I personally recommend is you choose a niche to dominate. You make, let's say, 5 to 6 figures before you ever touch another niche, and you just simply rinse and repeat. So I've been doing this for so many years, and this is my formula. This is what I do, and this is also what I like to teach others how to do, because everybody's always trying different strategies. You don't have to try different strategies if you have one PDF making you $3,000 a week. And it's very possible. There's millions of people that are insecure about so many different topics, hundreds and hundreds of topics. People are insecure about these topics. What if you can be the person that solves these problems for these people with a simple $27 to $47 PDF? I'll tell you right now, from somebody that's been in this game for nearly 20 years and made millions of dollars, you absolutely can be that person. So I wanted to make this video to let you know that you don't have to be an expert if your PDF is the expert. Your PDF has all the information. You just have to be the salesperson that put it in front of people's face. And when you do, that's how serious money is made. If you are somebody that want to start selling PDFs, tap the link in the description of this video. Get started. And I will be talking about this so much more because I do it every day. I've been doing it for a long time, and I want to also help you get on track to do it as well. PDFs is the way to financial freedom. If you want to keep things stupid simple, you don't want to launch a brick and mortar business, you don't want to have to take out a $100,000 bank loan to start a trucking company or whatever it may be. You just want to sit back, relax, and have passive income flowing. If that's you, PDFs is the way to go.